visiting the Postojna cave, we made our way to Predjama Castle. They are often visited together as a part of a tour because they are situated quite close to one another. The Slovene name Predjamski Grad roughly means castle in front of the cave, which is about as literal and accurate a name as possible. Predjama Castle is built directly in the mouth of a cave fused with a cliff face. It's one of the most dramatic castle locations in Europe and looks almost fictional. It's widely recognized as the largest cave castle in the world and is often listed in Guinness-related travel references. The history of the castle is almost as interesting as its appearance. Its most famous resident was Erasmus Predjamski. He was a rebellious knight, sometimes compared to Robin Hood. Legend says he raided nobles and defied the Habsburgs from the castle. During a siege, Erasmus reportedly stayed supplied through a secret tunnel system that exists above the cliff. While enemies surrounded the castle, food and supplies were smuggled in through the cave passages. The most famous legend says Erasmus was betrayed by a servant and killed by a cannon shot while using the toilet. Historians treat the story as folklore, but it's the tale most visitors remember. The castle is spectacular too. Firstly, I was a bit disappointed, I would say, because it looked really plain, but as you go, you'll immerse yourself in more cave-like rooms, which are really cool, but there are also a lot of stairs, so you should keep this in mind and wear really nice shoes because you can easily sleep there. Behind the castle is a real cave network with multiple levels. Parts are accessible seasonally, and the cave also serves as a bat habitat. Because it looks so cinematic, the castle has appeared in film, including Jackie Chan's movie Armor of God. If you're wondering whether to visit this castle and the Postojna cave, my answer would definitely be a yes. I think these are some of the most spectacular places you can visit in Slovenia, but they also tend to be popular with other tourists. hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.